Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 12th of August. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. We have a sunny day on tap. It's in the 60s this morning, a bit more comfortable with humidity levels down a bit, which is rather nice. You probably noticed the air mass changing a little for the second half of yesterday. Still a little bit of smoke yesterday. Remains to be seen just how much we get in here. It's just the sky's just not quite as blue as it would be otherwise. Now, overnight tonight, we're going to see after this day in the 80s, we're going to go back to the 60s, 70s this evening. Then for tomorrow, basically a carbon copy. The one difference is I'm going to throw in the chance for a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening with temperatures in the mid 80s. Then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are sunny, temperatures in the lower 80s. It'll probably be around 80 on Sunday. There might be a little bit of a sea breeze, and then perhaps a few showers on Monday. Fifth warmest August on record, first 11 days, all above average. It's drier than average. Summer is the fifth warmest so far on record. Depends how warm we are for sort of the last 20 days of the month as to whether or not this ends up as a top 5 warm summer on record. But certainly, with the climate changing, we continue to be very warm. Not the summers we all grew up with. Have a great day, everybody.